So the success of the Galaxy's Tri-Fold, which I am still amazed that this is even successful, but it sold out very quickly by Samsung. This might actually open up the door for us to get a lot more really cool tech. Hear me out. So Samsung now realizes as long as the tech is kind of cool and unique and maybe different, people are going to buy it, right? Now, we don't know the exact numbers of how many they posted up for sale or how many units they made, but Samsung themselves have come out and said they expect to sell over 1 million units of this device, even at $3,000. I've seen some people on Twitter, showed off last video, where someone bought 2 of them when they came out. Went to the store and bought 2 of them. So there's definitely this weird demand, and trust me, I understand because I love foldable cell phones too. Tri-foldables I'm kind of still on the fence about, but still I love the, tech being pushed forward, even with the whole, tech apocalypse we're currently in with RAM and crap like that. But it kind of showed Samsung that they could try other adventures, other devices outside of just the Z Fold 7 or Z Fold 8 or Z Fold series. They could really push the envelope, but they could also push the envelope other than just in South Korea, maybe also in America. So it says right here that the initial production of the tri-foldable phone was only 100,000 units. But again, like I said, Samsung's expecting to sell 1 million, so they're definitely going to give more production. They're definitely going to get more products out there. But as I was saying, though, this could push the envelope a little bit. Maybe Samsung does think about going after, Microsoft failed Surface Duo. Maybe they decide to reboot that whole series or phone. Maybe this time, obviously, being 180 degrees, not 360, but kind of in that same ballpark range. We have heard over the last couple years, they've been kind of theorizing an idea like that, where they could give us something where it's like more of a clamshell device rather than just like a Z Fold device. So I gotta assume that this is going to be a very positive situation. This will definitely put Samsung in a really good spot moving forward to maybe kind of, figure things out. Because their phone industry or their phone division of Samsung is what's keeping Samsung afloat. That's what keeps them successful. So if they can get something like where they're like, whoa, we could be like Apple and we could sell these phones for ridiculous prices and still sell them, even with this economy being crap, and given the fact that there's a tech apocalypse right now, I mean, we might get some crazy devices. See you guys next one, though.